There you go. Thank you very much, Bob and Sally. What's in here? Oh. Boy. Oh, strong. Come on, be strong. Work hard.
Work hard.
Come on, help me out. Work hard.
You got something?
No. Okay, ready?
I'm not trying to block it.
No, you're fine.
Just trying to get his face. You're going to be doing that a long time, buddy. Get all those pieces out. Alright, buddy, just get a few out.
Looky there! Want that one? Oh! Oh! Is there a ball? Come on, UV. Can you put it together? Yeah? Okay, there's more. Oh, yeah. Here. I guess we have to do it one at a time. What do you think, Marlon? Oh, well, thanks.
You think that's a banana?
A nana? Yeah, no. Who's it? That's a monkey. Look. That's a monkey.
What is this?
You.
What are you doing, Marley?
Oh, Gretchen, start opening it.
Are we really going to open it up and put it together?
It's a polar bear.
And you gotta bring it all down and put it back.
This is the zookeeper.